So in the last class, I think we have finished till horizontal range. Yes, no? What is last formula? You tell me. Yes, last formula. Tell me the last formula. Your voice is breaking.
Horizontal range.
Tell me formula. What you got? Last formula.
R equal to 2 root h bracket h minus h.
Okay. R is equal to 2 under root h into capital H minus small h. Till here we have finished in the last class. Yes. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. R is equal to 2 under root h into h minus h. Now, here, what I am doing, I am squaring on both sides. What I am getting, R square is equal to 4 into bracket small h into capital H minus small h. Now, this R square is equal to 4 into bracket this h into capital H minus h square. So this will become 4 small h capital H minus 4 h square is equal to R square. Check it once. Check it once. Correct? Okay. Now, if we will differentiate on both sides, differentiating on both sides with respect to small h. So dh of R square is equal to dh of 4 small h capital H minus dh of 4h square. Now dh of R square, what I am getting, 2 into R into dr by dh is equal to this 4 into capital H outside dh by dh minus here also 4 outside dh of h square. For range to be maximum, dr by dh should be equal to 0, and therefore this side 2r into 0 is equal to 4h. This dh by dh is 1 minus 4 into this h square differentiation is what? 2 into h. Yes, no? This is same like ddx of x square, 2 into x power 2 minus 1. That's what? 2h. So this will become 0. 0 is equal to 4h minus 8 small h. And therefore, minus 4h is equal to minus 8h. This minus and this minus will get cancelled. So small h is equal to 4h by 8. And then you are getting small h is equal to h by 2. So in yesterday's diagram, you know what is h and what is capital H. Capital H is total water height. Small h is the depth of the orifice. So for maximum range, your h should be equal to capital H by 2. Understood? Note down. So let's move ahead. Time taken to drop water level from H to H dash. Yes. So I think if JM1, for JM1 also this is not finished, you can also write from this part now. Okay. So time taken to drop water level from H to H dash. Now let us take one tank like this. You can see here, this is a tank, and we made one hole somewhere here. Right? So this is tank, and we made a hole here. Now let us suppose this tank is filled till height h. Okay, this is what h height, and suppose here it will drop to h dash, means still here. Let us assume that the area of cross section of this orifice is a naught, and let us suppose this a is what? Area of tank. Area of tank. And a naught is what? Area of orifice. Okay. A is what? Area of tank. A naught is what? Area of orifice. Okay. Right. Now, and this, whatever the hole we made, that is at depth y. Let us assume that this hole is at depth y. Okay. Now, volume flowing or volume of liquid coming out through the orifice, means through the pipe. Okay, through orifice per second, minus, or just we will keep dv by dt only. dv, this is volume. Okay, dv by dt is equal to now this is volume. No, so how I can replace this? See here, This volume I can replace with area into length. Yes, no. Area into small length divided by dt. So what I am getting here, a naught into the velocity. dl by dt is what? Velocity. And let us assume that this velocity is what? The velocity of this liquid which is coming out. One more time, listen. This dv is what? Volume, and this volume is nothing but area into length, and this area into length by time. This dl by dt I am replacing with velocity. This big V is volume, this small v is what? Velocity of the fluid which is coming out from the orifice. Okay. Understood? Now already we know this V1. In yesterday's class we have learned from Torricelli's law. V1 should be equal to what, Ray? Under root 2 gy, and therefore dv by dt is equal to a naught into under root 2 gy. Can you see this hole is at depth? Why no? That's why this v1 I am replacing with root 2 gy, and therefore dv by dt is equal to a naught under root 2 gy. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see what I am doing. The let dv is the change in volume in time dt. Then this minus dv, why? Because this water level going down, so minus dv is equal to what I can write? Area into length, which is equal to dy. Yes, no? Minus dv is equal to what? A into dy. Why a I am taking? Because this is what? A is what? Area of this tank. So in time dt, the level of this liquid will go down, and this change in volume dv is what? A into dy. And whatever this volume is coming down, that should be volume going out. Agree with me? Whatever the volume of water is going down, that much volume should come out. No? Understand? Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's
Yes,
why
sir.
minus dv is equal to a into dy, and that's why I'm replacing here. And therefore this is, let us suppose equation 1, this is 2, so just substitute this dv here. So what you will get, Ray? Minus a into dy by dt is equal to a naught under root 2 gy. What I did here? Listen, what I did here, I am keeping these yellow circles. You can easily understand. This dv is there now, and this dv is there now. Just this dv value I have substituted here. Okay, shall I write here? Substituting in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1. Understand, this dv value we have substituted in equation 1 with minus sign, because this is minus dv. So here we have dv. That's why minus dv is equal to a dy, and dv is equal to minus a dy. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please ask. Understood?
Understood, sir.
Note down. Now let's move ahead. So what is our last expression? Who will tell me? Yes, minus. Tell me.
minus a into dy by dt equal to a naught root 2gy.
Very good. A naught root 2gy. Now see, after this, you will be able to find the time taken to empty the tank which is on your terrace. Understand? So if you know the area of cross section of pipe which is going down from the tank and area of tank, then you can easily calculate the time taken to empty the tank. Understand? That is what we are going to derive. Now see here, minus a dy by dt is equal to a naught root 2 gy. This is what our last step. Now what I am doing, I am transferring dt terms one side, means dt terms one side, y terms one side, minus a by a naught into 1 by under root 2gy into dy, and this is equal to dt. See what I did. Understood? Just this dt I transferred here, and this a naught root 2gy this side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now what I am doing, I am integrating. So integrating on both sides, minus a by a naught is constant. Let's take outside. Shall I write like this? 1 by root 2g here. This root 2gy is there now. I am writing like this. 1 by root y into dy. Is it okay? What I did you see? This root 2gy is there now. I wrote like root 2g into root y. Yes, no? Okay. And this is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to integration of dt. Now this root y, whatever the height is there, that is dropping from h to h dash. That's why limits I am taking from h to h dash, and here 0 to t. So that's why I am taking 0 to t. Okay. Now I am doing this integration this side so that you will understand easily. Listen here. Integration of 1 by root y h to h dash into dy. This integration first I am doing. Can I write like this, Ray? 1 by y power 1 by 2 into dy. Yes, no? Which is also equal to y power minus 1 by 2 dy. Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Anyone has doubt, please tell. Yes, no? Now our formula x power n dx, what you will get? Y power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by y power minus 1 no, divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 है ना, minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, clear? C1's y power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and this is from h to h dash. Now see here, y power 1 minus 1 by 2, what you will get? 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, h to h dash. Right now, so this is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
what? 2 root y. Yes, no? This 1 by 2 will go up. 2 y power 1 by 2 means root y. And
Sir,
here h, yes.
ఒక్కసారి ఓపెన్ చేస్తారా సార్ లాక్? నేను వేరే డివైస్ తో లింక్ అవుతాను.
Okay, see here. So 2 root y h to h dash, and this is equal to 2 into under root of, put upper limit, h dash minus root of h. Check it now. Understood? Once you check and tell me if you have any doubt, I will explain again if you have any doubt. Understood? Please ask.
Yes, sir.
Understood this complete part?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. And integration of 0 to t dt is what, Ray? You will get only t. Yes, no? So let's substitute these two in this equation now. So minus a by a naught 1 by root 2g. Okay. And this integration already we got. How much that is? 2 into bracket root of h dash minus root of h. Okay. Which is equal to t. And now this minus I am multiplying inside. You see what I am doing? Listen carefully. What I am doing now? Next step. This a by a naught. Okay, this minus and this 2 here. So this 2 I am writing as a root 2 into root 2. Okay, divided by root 2 into root g into bracket minus I have multiplied. So I am getting here root of h minus root of h dash, which is equal to t. Now this root 2 and this root 2 cancel, and I am getting formula like this. T is equal to a by a naught under root 2 by g into bracket root of h minus root of h dash. Understand? Check it. If you have any doubt in this, you can ask. Yes, understood.
Sir,
Yes,
can you explain from last second step?
yes, definitely. See here. This 1 by root 2 is there now, and here 2 is there now. This 2 I have taken out, and I wrote this 2 as a root 2 into root 2. Okay, this 2 is there now. This 2 I have written as a root 2 into root 2, and this root 2g is there now. I wrote root 2 into root g. Okay, and due to this minus sign, initially root h dash minus root h was there now. It will become reverse. So root h minus root h dash. This minus went now inside. And now this root 2 and root 2 cancel. Now this root 2 by root g, I wrote as a root 2 by g. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear. Thank you, sir.
Good. Any other doubt, please ask. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Note down now. This integration you write down somewhere so that you will understand how we got this. Okay, finished?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Let's move ahead now. And now see what we have to keep in mind, that is this formula. Okay. So see here. What we got formula, tell me. T is equal to, yes, tell. T is equal to what is formula?
A by a naught into root 2 by g. Root
Yes,
h minus root h dash.
very good. Root h minus root h dash. Now note point number 1. Time taken to empty the tank. Empty the tank. Means here h dash should be equal to what, Ray? 0. because level should fall to 0. Yes, no? And therefore, time t is equal to a by a naught under root 2h by g. Yes, no? Clear? Next one, time taken to fall level from h to h by 2. What you will get? T is equal to a by a naught under root 2 by g into bracket root of h minus root of h by 2. Yes, no? Clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now one small problem I am giving you as a homework. You can do it yourself. Number 1, h is equal to 20 meter. A is equal to 20 meter square. A naught is equal to 1 meter square. Okay. And A naught already given, na? A already given, A naught already given. Okay. H dash is equal to 0, means to empty the tank. Okay. So T is equal to how much? You have to find. You take G is equal to 10. Okay. Take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Number 2, H is equal to 30 meter. A is equal to 100 meter square. A naught is equal to 2 meters square. And H dash is equal to H by 3. Then time T is equal to how much? Again, G you take 10 meter per second square. Okay. Got it? Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just in this formula only you have to substitute. H by 3 means 30 by 3. You will get 10. Okay. Do it yourself. And send me the answers. Use this formula only. Which one? This one. T is equal to A by A naught root 2 by G under root into bracket root H minus root H dash. In the first problem you have H is equal to 20, H dash is equal to 0. A naught you have, A you have, G already I told 10 meter per second. You have to find time. In the second question, H is 30. H dash is H by 3 means how much you will get? 30 by 3, 10. So substitute 10 here. A and A naught already you have, G also you have. Got it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's stop here. You can send me your answers. Bye. Enjoy the day.